What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Here we have the Mustang GT, the baddest Mustang GT, the female car collective that are currently causing a stir in the car scene. They've come with this Mustang and the brief was, I want it loud as possible. I want to wake my neighbors up. Okay, I want them to call the police complaining they could hear gunshots. They want some rat-a-tat-tat-tat. Yes, we were light. Don't worry, we've got you. Sit back, relax. Okay, leave it to us. Okay, this car belongs to Angel, and after driving this car, she's going to be officially known as the devil. Yes, this car is now an absolute beast. Nothing less. Okay, listen to that. Okay, we've decatted it, taken the box out, added a flame kit, and now it's literally gonna cause a major stir in the car scene. Okay, if you didn't already know, you'll definitely know now. Okay, why these girls are so bad. This is officially one of the baddest Mustangs currently in the country. That's only our speaks. And that's what you think. You're too loud. Are you going to call the police complaining if you hear gunshots?